Hello guys, we use my phone Xiaomi Redmi Note 8. This is version 4GB RAM memory and 64GB internal memory. Start unpacking. Open box. Look complementation. In complementation we have key for SIM slot and protected back cover. Device in a white color made of glass and metal. And this we have adapter for charging and USB Type-C cable. Okay, talk about device. On the back side, quad camera, LED and fingerprint scanner. On the front side, display 6.3 inch. Right side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On the right side, power key and volume keys. Upside speaker. Upside microphone, on the downside speaker, microphone, USB Type-C port and headphones jack. Turn on device. Device load. Turn on. Display IPS, Full HD Plus resolution. Open settings, about phone, Android 9, MIUI, Global 10.3.2. Close this. Open Geekbench 5. CPU Snapdragon 665. This octa-core processor 4+4 cores. GPU Adreno 610, resolution and display PPA. CPU test results. And GPU test results. AnTuTu benchmark results. Okay. And run GTA San Andreas, the mining game. Look how GTA San Andreas work on the max graphic level. Okay, game load, max graphic level. And works very good. Without lag and glitches. Close this and open camera. Main camera in device 38 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 megapixels, and now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.